Hey, Jeremy here with Buffalo Modular, and I'm on Cayuga Lake, and it's a beautiful day here this spring, and I wanted to show you a beautiful lot, a beautiful building site, but a difficult building site. Coming off the road, we have a fairly steep driveway. We're going to bring the modules up the driveway, turn them around here on a little switchback, and then go up the hill to where the house will be located. And so you can see, obviously we want to take advantage of the height of the hill to get a great view. So I'll give you a little walk around the building site here so you can see what we're dealing with. You can see the excavator is starting work already, opening up this property. Driveway is going to come up here, and we've got a septic leach bed area prepped already here, and the house is going to go up here. The driveway will come out flat, cut into the hill here, and the back basement wall will go against the hill. And I'll walk up here so you can see. It's a pretty good incline, probably it's about 20 feet drop from where the driveway to the back of the lot will be. But you can see why you want to put the house up high as possible so you can capture this beautiful view. Cayuga Lake, here's the bluff across the way here. And so where I'm standing here, this will be towards the back of the property, and the house will come out with a walkout basement. Below the house off to the left here, that's where the septic system is going to go. And you can see the basic formation of the driveway already coming in that way. So it's going to be a lot of dirt work. On a property like this, you really want to make sure you've got a very competent, experienced excavator who can do the driveway, the dig, backfill. In this scenario, we probably will need a retaining wall also. And excavator, of course, will do the septic system as well. But you have town water, electricity here at the road, and there's no gas, there's no natural gas line on the road. So if you want a fuel source, that would have to be propane. But I think on this house they're going to do all electric, which a lot of people are doing these days. But it'll be a beautiful chalet overlooking the lake, and it's going to take a bit of extra planning to get in with the modules, get the crane in, all of these kinds of things. But if you have a difficult building site, a lot of people think, well, you can't access it with modules, but oftentimes you can. You just need a little bit of planning ahead, and that's what we're doing here now. We're in the planning phase, designing the house, designing the site plan, and with the idea of breaking ground probably late summer. And I'll keep you posted on how this project develops. Any questions about your site, feel free to leave a comment or shoot us an email, reach out to us through our website. Be happy to chat with you.